pasando el día. Hello guys, so welcome to IDT 101. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jose Cruz and I do create general content. So feel free to look out on my playlist to see all my videos after finishing watching this video. In today's video, I'm here in Cabo Rojo Lighthouse. I'm gonna be riding, I'm gonna be hiking, and I'm gonna be showing you places where you can come in, have fun riding or enjoying time with your family. So sit back and let's begin. This is good cardio and also pretty nice to build legs. Already feeling it. Let's stop right here so you guys can enjoy the view that we have. Look at this. This place is so beautiful. Photography, this place is amazing. And also, as I mentioned, you can do snorkeling, you can swim, you can all the stuff, because over that side is the bay. I will show you later what part is, but it's super nice. It's a beautiful bay. You can come over with your family and enjoy. We have a couple trails down there for hiking all the way up and then turning into the next bay and the other side. It's super beautiful. But if you want to come over, you're gonna have a lot of fun. Also, if you like pictures, as I mentioned, there's one cave in there and another cave down there, so you can take a bunch of pictures. You have to swim a bit or walking all the way by the edge to that side, and then you can go in and take a couple of pictures. Super beautiful. riding over these rocks on a BMX. Oh hell, doesn't feel any good. Everything shakes. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful view. You can look at the bridge. So awesome. Look at this beautiful thing. Then people ask me why I want to come back permanently to Puerto Rico. Because of this. It's amazing. Oh, there's some people having fun down there. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Just on the other side. Oh yeah. Oh, so nice. My BMX is totally kind of technical because I have a street design tires, so not for mountain biking. It's challenging. Just have fun. This trail will take me down to the parking lot. Ooh. I'm going to slow down because if I fall over here, I don't have any long sleeve jacket, and believe me, these rocks are sharp like razors. Ooh. In among us, Legion 500. That's crazy. Yeah, BMX. We are down.
Well guys, that was all for today's video. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, click over the notification bell and share with your friends. So guys, if you have the time, come over because you will love this place. For riding, or if you just want to come over and have a lot of fun, you will love this place. Especially if you're a photographer, this place is amazing for pictures. So take care guys, thank you for your support. See you next time. Happy riding guys, blessings.